Hi guys, in this video I will make a short course about the Canva, that how we will use the Canva and what we can do in Canva. Okay, so I will give you all the detail in this video, and I will also make another video step by step that how we can make a logo, how we can make thumbnail, how we can for example we can make a CV. So this type all thing I will show you step by step in this video. Okay, so let's with us and just follow my video till the end. Okay, first of all I'm going to show you all the things which are present in the Canva, like the Instagram post, your story. You can make, you can design your own story in Canva. Here you can make photos and photo, also logos, also for your YouTube channel or for your YouTube channel, and for Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter. Also a lot of design are present here, like I will show you some of them. The mobile video cards, YouTube thumbnail, menus, A4 document with good quality of design, flower resume, CV for your own job, like the Facebook post certificate. All these things are present in the Canva, and I think I never ever see such a beautiful apps in my life, because all the template are present here. You just do your design quickly, around about 3 or 4 minutes. You just put your own information and the template will be just ready for you. And I also make a lot of design from here, so it helped me a lot. That's why I just wanna tell you about the Canva. Most of the people use the Adobe Photoshop or the Adobe Illustrator, just like this thing. But in my advice, I will tell you that Canva is more better than the Adobe Photoshop and the Adobe Illustrator or this like apps, because here you can make a difficult design in 2 or 3 minutes. Because of the template, you just put your own information and they will give you a result with good and best quality. So in the next video I will also make a video about the CV, that I will also show you the design video, that how we can make a CV. A lot of things here. We will also make a logo, and we will also design a certificate or just this type of thing. So keep with us and watch our next video. So in the first video I just showed all the things step by step, and here you can see the CV. So I will make a new video about the CV, that how we can make a best CV on Canva. Okay, so this was my step.